Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm walking you through one of the most important, yet often overlooked, steps in keeping your books accurate: how to reconcile in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're a small business owner, accountant, or freelancer, this guide will make sure your books match your bank perfectly. So stick around till the end, because I'll show you exactly how to make your reconciliation process smooth and error-free. First off, what does reconciliation actually mean? In QuickBooks Online, reconciliation ensures that your accounting records match your real bank statements. It's like balancing your checkbook, except QuickBooks does most of the math for you. This step helps you catch duplicate entries, missing transactions, or bank errors before they snowball into bigger problems. Alright, let's dive in. Open your browser, head to the QuickBooks Online website, and click the Sign In button on the top right. Use your registered email and password. And if you're managing multiple companies, make sure you're logging into the right one. Once you're in, click on the settings icon in the upper right corner, then select Reconcile. This is where all the magic happens. Now, select the correct account, whether it's your checking, savings, or credit card account. Next, grab your bank statement and enter the ending balance exactly as it appears. This ensures QuickBooks knows what you're reconciling against. Type in the exact ending date from your statement. This defines your reconciliation period and helps you avoid missing or overlapping transactions. Here's the fun part: matching. QuickBooks will display a list of your recorded transactions. Compare each one with your bank statement. When you find a match, click the check mark to clear it. Keep going until the difference at the top shows 0. That means your books and bank statement are perfectly aligned. Once that difference is 0, click Start Reconciling. QuickBooks will lock in your changes, confirming everything is accurate and up to date. And that's it. You've just completed your reconciliation. So there you go. That's how to reconcile in QuickBooks Online like a pro. Doing this every month keeps your financials clean, error-free, and tax-ready. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more QuickBooks tutorials, and drop a comment if you'd like me to cover common reconciliation mistakes next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.